Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to order Execulink services online. With more and more people preferring to shop online, we're happy to have a website that lets you do just that with our residential internet, TV, phone, and mobility services. This video will focus primarily on how to purchase residential internet. Our personalized business products are not available to purchase online yet, so please contact us if you are interested in any of our corporate solutions. First things first. Head to www.execulink.ca in your browser. On the homepage, you'll see green icons representing our 4 residential services and our bundles in blue. Click on the service you are most interested in to get started. As an example, let's check out our internet options by clicking the internet icon. You can also access any of these pages using the drop-down navigation above. If it's your first time visiting, you'll be greeted on the internet page with some generic package information. You'll want to click on the Check Availability or Set Address button to qualify your address and see what's available in your specific area. Upon doing so, you'll see a pop-up directing you to enter your address. You'll also see a pop-up from your browser asking you to allow Execulink's website to know your location. By clicking Allow, we can track your IP address and make an educated guess on where you are. But for the most accurate service information, type in your address in the search bar, click your address from the drop-down, then select OK. You will now be able to see what services you qualify for in your area. If you go to another service page, your address will be remembered so that you can easily see what other products you qualify for. To add the service to your cart, click Buy Now. If you're just browsing and don't want to add the service to your cart yet, click Learn More. Either way, you'll be taken to a page which will tell you more about the service and the hardware options available to you. Click Continue to Cart to review your order so far. On this page, you'll see what services you've added. You can easily keep shopping and check out some of our other services by clicking on one of the icons at the top of the page. Below that, you'll see your cart total, as well as some other important information about your service. You may want to add a router or other hardware at this point, which you can do by clicking the Add to Cart button beside the item. If you're ready to check out, click the Proceed to Checkout button. The checkout page is your final step before your order is sent off to be processed. There are a few things on your order that you need to address before proceeding, and these will be shown at the top of the page. These include things like installation time and payment information. After that, you need to enter your personal information to create an account, or if you're already an Execulink customer, to add to your existing account. After you're done entering your information, review your cart at the bottom of the page. If you're ready to proceed, accept the terms and conditions and then click Place Order. You will receive a summary email of your order and a second email with instructions to complete your purchase. An Execulink customer service representative will contact you within 4 business hours to finalize your order. And that's it. You've just ordered an Execulink service online which will be installed as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.